Welcome. In front of me I have LG K50S, and today I'll show you how you can turn off Google Assistant on the smartphone. So at first we have to go for the Play Store and get latest version of the Google app. It's very important because it changed a little bit from the last version. So hit update, and after a few moments we will be able to open this app. Okay, and right now let's open. Click right here on the more, tap on the settings, move to the Google Assistant, and right now you have to scroll down and find general settings, then tap on the switcher to turn off Google Assistant. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.